Good morning traders and welcome to today's live trading. Today is the 15th of March and as usual we are on the FTSE 100. So just to run you through my analysis quite quickly, as usual I'm just waiting for price to reach one of the bands that I identify, support and resistance bands that I identify from basically the structure and the price movement on the 4-hour chart. The two main ones at the moment, we've got one above price just around the 7165 level with today's R1 in there, and then another one around the 7120 level with yesterday's low and today's S1 in there. So we have a few intraday levels between here, so price could bounce between those, but I won't be interested in taking a trade until it gets up to or down to either of these bands. So it will just be a bit of a waiting game. There's no immediate trades really on my radar. If it was to come straight up into this hourly 200, that would be nice. Literally straight up from here into this band, the lower half of this band, then a short trade looking back down towards maybe around the 7135 level. I'd be happy to take that. But if it's going to come down, equally I'm happy to see if it's going to find support down here, and maybe look to take a trade back up towards this band up here. Like I say, it's just a case of really waiting and seeing what price wants to do, and then acting on that. So we're 5 minutes to the open. I'll check in once the market's opened, and hopefully we'll start getting some trade setups. So we're 10 to 10 now. We have had this move up. It took a while. From the open candle, which was just around here, you can see we chopped sideways for quite a bit before having this quick move up into this band, and we've got a signal candle that I'm just about happy to use. So I'm going to put the order just below this one at 7157. So I'll enter that now and submit that. So that order's in. The stop, as usual, will just be a little bit above the signal itself if we do get triggered. So that order is sitting in there. I can bring the ticket across for you. So like I said, if we do get triggered, the target for this trade will be back down towards sort of the 7135 level. If you look across at the hourly, we've got an ATMA that's moving up with price. It's actually at 143 now, but if price starts coming down, then that will come down a little bit with it anyway. So it'll be somewhere around that region. If we do get triggered and it does move down, I'll sort of review it as and when we get close to it. But for now, the order's in, and we'll see if we get triggered. Right, it's come down relatively quickly. What we said we were looking for is this hourly ATMA, and we're getting towards there now. It's lining up really with this pivot level, so I'm gonna happily take the profit here. I think for this one, I would expect some sort of support here. We rode out this level where price came and tested these previous highs. We did get quite a bounce, a bigger bounce than I was expecting, but we have moved past that and down to sort of the ATMA that I was looking at on the hourly chart. Now there is definitely the potential for this to come down to sort of the 135 level, like I said, but with the 200 here in the way, we've got yesterday's open, like I say, on the hourly ATMA. This just seems to make a little bit more sense than trying to ride out what is possibly another 5 pips or so. Yeah, 5 or 7 pips down to that level when price has already given us a good move there, and the risk to reward on this trade has been pretty good. We were looking at about 7 or 8 point stop. We managed to squeeze about, I think we got that same 15, but I think it was more like 12 in the end. So yeah, decent trade. So that's where I'll end it, I think. 10:15. Not too bad to be finished by this time, and you can see we're getting that reaction that I spoke about at the ATMA. It just depends. You never know how big that's going to be. So hence why it was a safe decision just to take the profit there. But thank you very much for watching. If you have enjoyed, please do leave a like and do consider subscribing to the channel, and I'll see you next time.